No, only this song. Only. Other songs have been sung by Shreya Ghoshal, Chitra Ji, and a new singer called Janita Gandhi. Then me, Mohit Chauhan. And then we have Shweta Pandit and Jyoti who recite the poetry.
When do you plan to release the entire album? Rahman?
Today. Today it's out of iTunes, finally.
हाँ मैं पूछा मेरा सवाल सिब्बल सर से सर जिया न्यूज़ से धीरेन्द्र मिश्रा मेरा सवाल ये है कि जिस तरह से हमारे पीएम साहब का स्वागत अमेरिका में हुआ है एज ए इंडियन सिटीजन कितना प्राउड फील करते हैं
हम तो देखिए जो भी हमारे प्रधानमंत्री होंगे अगर उनका स्वागत होगा तो वी विल बी वेरी हैप्पी क्योंकि हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री हैं
ओके रहमान सर आपसे भी जानना चाहेंगे यही सेम क्वेश्चन
It's a great time for India, and I love the whole positive energy happening.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Rahman, which is that thing? Yeah, here, straight. Yeah, Mr. Rahman, which is that thing about Sibbal Saab, which makes you just come up together and work with him? Which is the best thing about him? What you like with?
Thing about when you're working with when on movies, especially, every poet is bent on the thoughts to satisfy the direction or the director or the vision of the director on the story. So when I saw his poetry and the words, I felt it was coming from life. It had a simplicity in it, and that's the reason I wanted to do something.
Rahman sir here. One of the earliest hits of your career, Roja, was played recently somewhere in Central Asia. I saw a link that you tweeted. Could you tell us more about it? What was?
I think it was somewhere in Ukraine, I think. And it was surprising. Somebody discovered that and sent it to me, and I thought I should share it with all of you. How music travels over time, a period of time.
रहमान जी ऐसी खबरें आ रही हैं कि आप एक फिल्म हिंदी फिल्म प्रोड्यूस करने जा रहे हैं कितनी सच्चाई है इस बात पे और किस तरह की फिल्म बनने वाली है वो बॉलीवुड में
You just have to wait for that another couple of months. I'm working so hard on it. So.
Any particular genre you are working?
It's a musical, of course. Yeah.
रहमान जी आपसे पूछना है यहाँ पर आजकल कुछ सिंगर से एक्टर्स बन रहे हैं और कुछ एक्टर्स सिंगर बन रहे हैं तो क्या राय है आपकी इस बारे में
It's all going back to the old 1940s. It used to be like that. And even in Western Broadway, it's still that. You know, every actor sings and singers become actors. And I think it's a good thing.
Politicians भी कुछ actor बन रहे हैं आजकल.
Hello, good afternoon, sirs, ladies. Here. Coming back to topic which we are discussing here, Mr. Rahman. You're targeting the 1% educated class and trying to get something out of them to give it to the rural because that is where most of the problem lies. I think, have you thought of that trend, how to go around it? Because I think in the, whatever you're targeting, the women are far better off, 10% better, 10 times better than guys in most respects. But they don't need it. It's the class which is down below, they need it. How are you going to do that?
I think the main idea is to aspire them and inspire them. And because they follow everything, everybody has a mobile phone, everybody has TV now. And when that happens, I could be that. And that is the whole idea behind the video. And I also feel that the mothers are the starting point who could end this. Because they bear their sons and they could teach the sons how to behave. And that never happens. It's all taken for granted mostly. And I'll probably start that with my house. And I've been telling my son when they had to fight, my son and my sisters, their sisters had fights. I said, don't ever touch my daughters. If you touch that, he'll be out of my house. And from then, he never, even if they hit him, he just holds like that. So it's a cute lesson, and when I noticed that if you put that in the mind of a kid, they, I think, carry that for lifetime.
Ladies, you have anything to say on that ground, or on the level which I'm aiming at? The villages, the rural areas.
You know, Farooq, actually, at the end of the day, a woman, whether she's in rural India or urban India, her problems are very similar. And, you know, in our journey through Vogue Empowerment, and, you know, we have understood what goes on in urban India as well as rural India. And you're right, there is a lot that needs to be done in rural India, but there is an equal lot that needs to be done in urban India. It's actually a misconception that we live with, that all of these things are only heard of and seen of in rural India. And as a magazine that does talk to urban women, we're at least starting from somewhere. We're hoping that by engaging, this is exactly the reason we've engaged with all our pledge makers. Tomorrow, I'm confident that Amir Khan's voice, Mr. A.R. Rahman's voice, the work that Ranbir Kapoor, Deepika Padukone, Yuvraj Singh will do for us as ambassadors of Vogue Empower will not just spread in urban India, but to also rural India.
Thank you, Brahma. That's what I
Mr.
wanted
Rahman,
to hear.
hi. I mean, this afternoon cannot be complete if we don't, hear a few lines from your end, from the song. If you could hum a few lines, it would be great. It's a humble request from all of us.
No, No, I think you should listen to the song. I don't want to spoil that impact now.
If that's all. Sorry, yes, the lady there.
You can sing if you want.
या आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स क्वेश्चन है जयललिता जी के ऊपर 2 दिन पहले एक फैसला स्पेशल बेंच ने एक फैसला सुनाया था आप इस फैसले से कितने खुश हैं और
देखिए आज है आप अभी देखिए रौनक का लॉन्च हो रहा है तो आप रौनक में वो खट्टेपन की बात मत कीजिएगा रौनक को रोने रहने दीजिए
Okay, if that's all, thank you so much. Sorry,
I
yes?
just have a question for Rahman, sir.
That is your last question, yes.
Sir, how easy or difficult was it to compose a song for women empowerment?
This had happened naturally, and it was inspired by the lyric, of course. And when he read it out, we all felt an energy in the room, and all my friends who was there, we felt that this song was very, very special, and that song actually stayed with us. All the 7 beautiful, but this stayed with us, and then that's why it developed into so far, and it got it.
So anything you would like to share about your upcoming projects? Because we are reading a lot of articles of you getting a lot busy this year and coming year. So, how did you remind for this, and how are you managing with your albums and music?
This was really, really tough, but we finished, and we are really proud of this. The other projects I'm doing is with Yazali and Shekhar Kapoor Pani, and what else?
There was one with Riya Kapoor.
I is coming. Hindi is coming. And I heard Sylvester Stallone is coming in.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much to all of you all for joining us. Please stay back for coffee. Thank you once again.